Did you wrong? Well, we thought up a good tune and we want you to sing along.
Hey guys, welcome to Frank's Tech Help. So today I'm going to be putting some Stampede two-wheel drive Talon tires onto my wife's Traxxas Rustler VXL two-wheel drive. As some of you may know, when I upgraded to the Rustler 4x4 VXL, I passed the two-wheel drive onto my wife, got a new body put on it, and recently put on some nice little pink bumpers for her, and oh, bonsai, there it goes, and a pink wheelie bar. And the wheelie bar is off right now just because she's been practicing jumping and stuff lately. Recover this tire. And so during the process of learning how to jump and do flips and stuff, she accidentally broke the old wheelie bar off. So I got a new RPM pink wheelie bar to put on the back for her, and a new RPM bumper on the front there, as you see again. And so while we're jumping and stuff, doing off-road, whatever, I've taken the wheelie bar off the back just to spare it for the moment. But the problem I've been running into is that when I upgraded this, I thought everybody raves about the Anaconda tires. So I thought, well, I'll get some Anacondas, you know, try something new. And I'm sure they're great. I mean, as far as doing street runs and stuff like that, driving outside, they've been really good for her. But a couple of times we've gone into the backyard to try to drive the cars, and mine does fine, the 4x4 VXL, but hers gets stuck in the grass constantly. High grass, low grass, no grass, whatever. It constantly gets stuck. So I'm going to upgrade her to these Stampede Talon tires here. You can see these things are humongous. So the one concern is that there's not a fan, an ESC or a motor fan on this vehicle, so I'll probably, actually I went ahead and ordered one, ordered an ESC fan and a motor fan, so once those get here I'll go ahead and put those on. But this is going to be super nice. Give you an example, kind of what that looks like there. See if you can get that on the top. Let me switch my camera view here for you. Get on the side view here, and you can see the difference in the size on these tires. This is going to be awesome. So and as you notice, the color on these, the red color, I'm just trying to color coordinate it for her. She likes red blingy stuff as far as that, so I did paint the rims red and did a gloss coat, lacquer over the top. But then once she saw the bumpers and stuff, I surprised her with that, plus how the pink in the body. She's like, oh, I want the rims to be pink as well. So I've got red and blue and black and all kinds of color spray paint, but this is what it's gonna be. She's like, I've got something that matches, so I'm gonna tediously take fingernail polish, pink fingernail polish, and paint the entire inside of the rims down, and I am gonna tape them for masking or blocking this the way that I did with the other ones, and paint these in, and then come in with some Rust-Oleum clear lacquer after the fact and spray them down to give them a nice hard shell cover. So to start off with, I'm going to go ahead and break here for a second, and I'm going to go paint these suckers and let them dry, get the clear coat on, and then once I'm done with that, I'll come back and we'll take a look. I'll get them installed. We'll take a look, see what it's going to look like. So this should be interesting. So I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, so just checking back in, making some progress here on the wheels. Just to show you, I masked everything off on the front there, and I decided to keep a little bit trim of silver around the outer edge just because the way the rim kind of goes over where the tire bead mounts. I just put the tape along right around the outside of that, so when I peel the tape off, there's still going to be a tiny silver ring that runs around the wheels. So anyway, I started with a white base of just regular enamel spray paint. From there, now it really is better to use spray paint for the purpose of balance, keeping your tires balanced. You want to get a good even spray. I didn't have any pink on hand, didn't really feel like going to get any, but I came in with fingernail polish. My wife picked it out. She provided it to me, like paint it like this. So and it was a tad bit thick, and so she had the bright idea to put some acetone in it. So I put 5 or 6 drops of acetone in the bottle and then continued painting, and it helped out tremendously. Although you know, if you have a wife, girlfriend, and they ever paint their nails, now you know why they have to do multiple layers. They gotta paint 2 or 3 layers on there to get it to look really nice. From there, I came in and did a little bling bling. Sprayed it with a clear coat of lacquer and sprinkled some purple glitter to kind of bounce off of the pink, or pop off the pink, I should say. And let me see if I can get this in a good enough view for you guys to be able to see it. I mean, it really pops. Here's the other one. So I've got 2 of them done at this point. So I can only imagine what this is going to look like once it's back on the car, accenting the rest of the pink. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and finish up these last 2 wheels, and I'll be back with you here to get them installed. Alright guys, so the tires are all done. I'm just looking for my lug wrench. Here we go. And I'm going to go ahead and take the old wheels off of the Rustler here, and you can see the final product. And it's hard to see in this video, but the little silver bit, let me switch cameras here, maybe you guys can see it a little bit better. It's super blingy looking, and there's a little silver trim that runs right around the outside of the rim. You'll probably be able to see it in regular daylight a little bit better. You can kind of see it running through there. So I think she's going to be super surprised when she sees this. Oops, wrong window there. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take off the old tires here and get the new ones put into place. Wow. Oh my. You know, they say happy wife, happy life. And gotta give it to my wife. She didn't give a crap about any of the RC stuff or YouTube or any of that in the beginning, and she's really coming around to show her support down the line here, and kind of gotten her in the RC thing, which is, you know, that figure if I got her a vehicle, got her into it enough, and she'd start digging it. So it's taken a while, but she's into jumps and flips and stuff now, and a little 4x4 off-roading, and running the cars for the dogs in the backyard as well. So let's see here. Man, this is crazy looking. Alright, so there you have the new side. Put over the old side. Man, that's insane looking. And just give you an example of the old tires, the difference in the size. So, like I said, the primary reason for this is we'd be driving through the backyard in this car, it would just get stuck. It would not go anywhere because there's not really any tread on these tires, not enough to be effective for off-roading. So that is the primary reason. I'd be excited to get this thing outside and see how it the test drive's like with the new tires. And there's a client texting. I'll have to get back to them in a few. I'm trying to shoot a video on YouTube, whoever you are. Alright. And I don't know if you guys can see, kind of did a little test pink with a pink fingernail polish over the top of this just to see kind of get an idea of what it might look like if we went with that color. And I gotta tell you, this is just insane. Pretty in pink. will be the title of this. And it's funny because I was going with it's kind of the same color pink as I thought what the bumpers were, and that's kind of what she was looking at as well. And oddly enough, they look orange now as I'm looking in the monitor. So if you look at it without the tires and compare it to the pink in here, you can see that it's pink. But when you go this way, wow, man, that's just that's insane. I'm jealous of these tires. These things are huge. And so we'll find out in regards to the balance. Seems good. Seems good at this point. I don't know what else to say about this. This is going to be a monster good time as far as the two-wheel drive Rustler 4x4 goes. So, alright guys, I guess that's it for tonight. And the Traxxas Rustler VXL, putting on the new tires, the Stampede two-wheel drive tires, all four knobbies. So I'll pop back in once I get this thing on the road and post another video. And I hope this video helped you out. As always, thanks for watching Frank's Tech Help. Peace.
Hey yo, Moo, I heard about your girl, how she did you wrong. Well, we thought up a good tune and we want you to sing.